someone on Reddit has posted a series of recipes which belong to a lighthouse keeper on Egg Rock Lighthouse, and one of them's really stood out to me, so I'm going to try and recreate it. Before we start, I need some tea. A beautiful Haysborough Lighthouse mug as well. Jeeves! Most important component, the apple. These were actually given to me by the family member of a lady that I read for on every Monday, which is very kind, but it does say solid apple, and I've had these for a couple of weeks now, and they're not super solid, but I guess I'll be fine. Okay, so somehow I've got to carve out so there's just an apple shell. Oh. The next part is chopped nuts. I've got almonds, a cupful. I think that's probably enough, because there isn't much apple going on, to be honest. So next is mayonnaise, which feels really counterintuitive. It doesn't. I feel like if I put brown sugar on this and had it as a sweet treat, it would make more sense rather than putting mayonnaise on it. Anyway, this isn't about changing someone else's recipe. Okay. I can't help but feel if I'd just eaten this apple, it would have been nicer. They haven't specified any seasoning, but I've got to say it doesn't look very appetizing. But I'm not. I'll just try it. That's disgusting. I don't think he ever made that. I think it was in his recipe book, but there is no way that there's no way that anyone actually ate that. I don't know what it is. It's the combination of flavours and textures. It's really upsetting my gag reflex. Are the rest of his recipes like that? Oh, get that man a cookbook for his birthday.